This manual contains a number of instructions and safety recommendations regarding driving, handling, lubrication, maintenance, inspection and adjustment of the skid steer loader. The manual is to promote safety maintenance and enhance machine performance. Keep this manual handy and have all personnel read it periodically. If you sell the machine, be sure to give this manual to the new owners. This machine complies with EC Directive 98/37/EEC. 1. Read and understand this manual before operating the machine. This operator's manual may contain attachments and optional equipment that are not available in your area. Please consult your local Hyundai distributor for those items you require. Improper operation and maintenance of this machine can be hazardous and could result in serious injury or death. Some actions involved in operation and maintenance of the machine can cause a serious accident, if they are not done in a manner described in this manual.
Click on Zombie Apocalypse.